I'm in my dashboard and I'll scroll down to select Python. Here we have a problems. First, before let's check our rank. Our rank is close to 13.3 lakhs. So our first problem is say hello world with Python. So we have a brief introduction. So how to do that, being this is our first program. So they have a standard to describe the problem. For example, they have a input format, output format, and the sample output that they are expecting. Here they will describe how the output should look like. In the below we have a text editor embedded, and we can select our preferred Python version, and our expected their expected output is hello comma world exclamatory symbol. So print is a inbuilt keyword that is supported in Python. So here within the quotes we will write hello and world, and down there we have a button run code. So I'm clicking on that button. So after uploading and processing, here we will get a congratulations text saying that their internal all test cases has been passed, and you could see our output as expected output both seem matching. So that's the reason. So after that we will click on submit the code. Soon after that we submit, they will check all the test cases. If all the test cases are passed, we will be awarded with certain score. For this particular problem the score is 5, so 5.0 our total score, and the rank is gone from 13 lakhs to 10 lakhs now, and our point is being updated. So let's go back to our leaderboard and check the practice Python leaderboard there, and our rank is now displayed here, and so is our score.